guys, it's a cold one. It's 9 p.m. It's 1 degrees. Change the green. Thank you. Don't make me turn this truck around. Oh, it started snowing again, is it? Again? Or hail, one of the two. Oh, it's getting heavy now. Right, so we're on our way. We're on our way to England. We're on our way to England, England, England. I'm just gonna head up here and we're gonna join this road here on the left. But we're gonna get to the next roundabout for that. Turn this truck around. Should be nice and quiet the roads anyway, going into England now. It's quite late, you know. Down there. Watch the roads are not too we get green lights up here, that means we can be on this road now like full speed. We should be okay. Change the green. There we go. There we go, guys. We're just going into England now. Like 2 minutes, we'll be in England. Pretty heavy now. God. Just gonna keep it about 50. There's no rush, you know. It's snowing pretty heavy now. So we're in England now, guys. You won't be able to tell, but we are. Welcome to England, guys. Get the speed up a bit now because it's pretty empty, the roads are a bit clearer. It's pretty hard to, the snow seems to be falling like 3D, like into the thing, so it's quite hard to like focus, you know. Here we go, M56, guys. Just going to keep it at about 60. The roads are empty, there's no rush, and I can't really see if the right hand lane has been gritting or not. It's pretty hard to see because it feels like the snow's like blowing in your face. You know what I mean? It seems to be blowing this way. Where we're like driving against it, it seems. Can't even see the lines in the road really. concentrate, you know. Just dropped it down to 50. And we're basically just following that car in front of us. I'm not gonna lie, I can't see the lines on the road and I can't really see the hard shoulder. Should be a bit easier up here because it goes into 3 lanes and there's street lights. So. But we don't want to be overtaking any cars, so there we go. I can actually see the road now. I can see where it's clear. We're not going to go in that right hand lane in case it's slippery. It's too dangerous. Yeah, mate, you can drive faster than 40, come on. Getting heavier actually, seems to be, doesn't it? Right, we'll stay in this lane as it's clear and we'll overtake this guy, get up to about 60. Hard to see, I'll tell you that. Let's get behind these guys because we're in no rush. I can't actually see the lines in the road. Just follow this man in front of us. Even though this is quite hard to drive in, this is probably it'll be easier than the other roads because they'll be thicker with snow, I'd imagine. Like we're moving because we're only going 40 miles an hour, and then with the snow blowing in towards us, it feels like we're not actually moving. It feels like optical illusion. brake lights going on. It's going on. See, it's actually starting to settle already, even in that middle lane. So we're just going to stay in this lane, play it safe. You know, we're in no rush. Sunday night. As we get towards Manchester, which is the direction we're going now, they've gritted it more, you know, being a big city and stuff. We just come from a small tiny town in Wales, you know. I do think it's meant to snow all night, so come tomorrow morning, Monday morning rush hour, this will be absolute chaos. So we're lucky we're going tonight and not in the morning. Getting slow. I'm doing 30 miles an hour, guys, on the motorway when the speed limit's 70. Don't know why this guy's slowed down so much. So to go for it, just go slow. You know, guys, I am a qualified lorry driver, so I am used to these conditions, kind of, but it's very different though when you're in a car and you're surrounded by other people that don't necessarily know how to drive in the snow. Doing 50 now and I'm absolutely flying past these cars. You got to be careful when you switch lanes, because obviously it's going to be quite slippery in the middle and in between the lanes. Absolute speed of this idiot. I'm doing 50, you must be doing about 85, 90 easily. Very busy on the other side. Must be heavier on that side or something, or it's not been gritted maybe, I don't know. Speed that idiot as well. It's dead on 0 degrees outside. It's so busy the other side. It's Sunday night, unless the alternative route's closed. Maybe snow. Even just there on the Premier Inn, it's absolutely covered in snow. It's probably been snowing quite heavy here. Very busy the other side. Right, thanks guys for watching. I'll end it here. You're probably bored now, and it's kind of stopped snowing for a bit, so see you in the next one. Bye.